Hi there, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts, independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. Another video from me today, assuming I've managed to get everything up. Anyway, so as of 7 o'clock this evening, that is 7 o'clock on the 30th of May, there are discounts on both the retiring annual and the retiring spring summer catalogue. I am going to take you through this really quickly. I will hopefully have links to the lists on my blog. Fingers crossed everything goes live okay. So let's go. Let's make sure I get all of these. Right, page 21, another wonderful year, 10% off. This is only on the clear mount, 10% off to £26.10. You will find that there are some things that are only discounted on one sort of stamp mount. So, page 34, annual catalogue, Lift Me Up, or 10% off on both. So wood mount £24.30, clear mount £18. Next is, I'm coming. Page 46, Itty Bitty Greetings will be in the new catalogue. I emphasise, it will be in the new catalogue, but it will be cling mount, not wood or clear mount. Wood mount minus 10% at £40.50. Clear mount minus 15 at £28.05. It will be in the new catalogue, but if you want it at a discounted price, get it soon. Okay, At Home With You, page 56. Minus 15% at £20.40. Thoughtful Banners, minus 10 at £18. Bubble Over, I love this, minus 10 at £13.60. 62, page 62. The clear mount of Hanging Garden is discounted by 10% to £16.20. The wood mount is not. As I said, some of them are and some of them aren't. Okay, next. Cake Soiree. Now, remember this because we're coming on to something else with Cake Soiree. So the stamps on page 78. 10% off the wood at £39.60. 25% off the clear mount at £24.75. 96, clear mount, sorry, it's photopolymer, minus 10% on Christmas pine, so it's going to be £29.70. I'm in mourning. I love the cookie cutters, but they are not discounted because everybody loves cookie cutters. Ready for Christmas, minus 10% at £22. Petal palette, again, remember this in a minute. Wood mount minus 10% at £39.60. Clear mount minus 25% at £24.75. Dragonfly Dreams. Again, I think we need to remember this in a moment. Discounted by 10% to £18. That's page 138. Oh So Eclectic, again, remember this in a moment. There's no discount on the wood mount, but there's 15% off the clear mount at £21. And now this is amazing. I got that one wrong. So, on page 82, if you do not already have the new colour assortment of the classic stamping pads, which were already discounted by 10%, you can get a further 10% off. And instead of paying just over £100, you will pay £90.68. Now remember, if you put in an order that is large enough, you get 50% off. Now I want to say it's £400, so you'd have to put in a big order before the end of the catalogue, and these would still have to be available. The new colour assortment for the Stampin' Right markers is also discounted by 10%, so instead of £44, £39.60. So if you do not already have the new colours, get them now! because you won't get them in a bundle, and you're getting an extra 10% off the stamping pads. Perfect time to get them. Stampin' Right markers, the retiring in colours, are discounted by 20% to £11. Okay. Right, laser cut specialty paper discounted by 10% to £11.70. Nothing else there. Right, the coloured doilies, I'm hoping this is in shot, minus 10% at £3.83. All of these colours are carrying over, so they are going to be very usable. I mean, obviously, if you're a demonstrator, not so much, but for those who are not demonstrators, customers, very usable with the existing colours, because they're going to be there in the new catalogue. Page 198, Share What You Love embellishment kit is discounted by 10% at £9.23. And again, the majority of, yes, the Grapefruit Grove paper clips, that's the only colour. Oh, apart from Tranquil Tide, which is going. So the Tranquil Tide Baker's Twine is the only thing that will not have a colour match in the new catalogue. Although having said that, you could probably, with Baker's Twine, get away with Pretty Peacock. I need some of my coffee, my lovely bee mug. Even if it's cold. Right, next. The metallic edged ribbon, the Berry Burst, is discounted to minus 15% to £5.53. Brusho Crystal Colours minus 20 at £22.40. The silver embossing paste minus 10 at £7.43. Page 209 has a discount. Page 209. Why have I? Oh, okay, because it was right. The envelope punch board, the amazing envelope punch board, minus 10% at £17.10. The Lemon Builder Punch, minus 15 at £14.45. This is not discounted this page, it's for this page. So, I'm whizzing through these. The Apron Builder, £24.30. At Home Framelets, £22.40. Now, page 56, let me just double check. I seem to remember that that was discounted. So it was. So you get 15% off the stamps and 20% off the dies. It's like having a bundle. Bethlehem Edgelets, £2.40. Bottles and Bubbles, the stamp set was discounted, so are the dies at £22.10. Celebrate You Thinlets, minus 25 at £15.75. Detailed Florals, minus 10 at £24.30. Eastern Medallions, minus 20 at £22.40. Eclectic Layers, remember they were discounted. The stamps were discounted, minus 10 at £21.60. So if you're getting the clear mount, from memory the wood mount's not discounted. If you're getting the clear mount, it's like getting a bundle. Detailed Dragonflies, again, the stamps are discounted, so are the dies, £24.65. Everyday Jar Framelets, minus 15 at £26.35. Garden Scene Framelets, minus 15 at £23.80. Hometown Greetings. I love this die set. It works perfectly on its own. I have made so many shadow boxes for Christmas using this die set. Minus 10% at £27. That's one I'm probably going to keep because for craft fairs, those do not stay more than 5 minutes after I open my stall. Petals and Palette stamp set, remember that was discounted, so are the framelets. 25% off, they are just £24. Get the clear mount and the dies, and it is cheaper than when you could get them at a bundle. Pretty Park Framelets, minus 15 at £22.10. Spot of Tea Framelets, minus 15 at £20.40. Okay, Sweet Cake Framelets, those match with the Cake Soiree, remember those were discounted, minus 25% at £23.25. Swirly Snowflakes, minus 20 at £22.40. Thrill Ride, minus 15 at £23.80. Okay, embossing folders, Climbing Vine, £7.20. Quilt Top, £7.20. Ruffled, £8.33. Scattered sequin, £7.40. Simple stripes, £6.80. Striped scallops, £7.20. Phew, that's that one. So that's the annual catalogue, but there's more. Okay, spring summer. My ripped spring summer catalogue. The rose trellis dies -15 at 22.10. The stamps are not discounted, but the dies are. They are a bundle. Let me just say, it will still be cheaper for you to buy them as, she's doing mental arithmetic, if you want both, get them as a bundle, because that is less, only just. But if you've already got the stamp set and you wished you had the dies, now. Wonderful Romance -15%, 27.20. Let me do mental arithmetic. 49.20. If you want both, get the bundle. But if you've already got the stamps and want the dies, now is your moment to get them. Sweet Treats. The dies, again, if you want the bundle, if you want both, get the bundle. But if you've already got the stamps and want the dies, they are -10% at 25.20. Right, for my German customers, not that I sell in Germany, but if you want the German set, it's -10% on for the Made to Bloom inclusive card kit, but these will all be in German. I just thought I'd say that. Now, there are other language options around, but I'm concentrating on English because that's where I sell. Dot to Dot embossing folder -10% at 7.20. Getting there. Okay, the Cute Crew punch box. English -15 at 35.70, German -10 at 37.80. But I do only sell in the UK. Okay, needlepoint elements framelit dies -20% at 22.40. Let me do mental arithmetic. It is cheaper for you to buy the stamp set and the dies rather than the bundle. So for that one, if you want both, get them as separate items. I think, no, we've got one more page. So the laser cut paper, -15% at £11.05. It's petal pink one side, white the other, so it's very useful, and petal pink is carrying over. Phew! So there we go. Those are the discounts. As I say, I will try and link the list on my website. This is not what I had planned for today, but I'm doing my best. So I hope that was helpful. Link to my shop is below. I am not listing all of this in my description bar below the video. You will have to hop over to my website and get the list from there, because that is too much to share on my video. Remember, this is as of 7 o'clock night time, 7 o'clock UK time, 30th of May. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you with a more normal video very soon. Bye!